This is for the women who be asking about the glory that we basking, but when we don't get our dues, they Nicky laughing. I dedicate this to the hella fellas and the compliments they tell us, but only in secret. They don't want they homies getting jealous. For the ones who know the name and disrespect all the same, thinking it gon' get you higher too as God's up in the game. We stroking pride and swallowing everything but they ego and talking shit about us to all our people. Oh yeah, we know. Asked to hear some real shit, then took it to imposters. You ain't trying to pay producers, know the streets is watching. Joni Mitchell, bet you think this song is all about you. Coming for a bad bitch's bag ain't an option. Change your name to Chris the way that everybody hates you. Even with your cosign, we still don't rate you. Lying on your dick when a chick ain't wanna date you, calling her a bitch.